Hello, I wanted to show you a little video on how to submit an assignment on Canvas. You use this method when you need to actually submit a document, not a link. So I've changed it to where you're going to be submitting documents to Canvas instead of a link. So there was this little video I found online. We didn't need the whole one, so I'm just going to do a little screen recording here to show. So you go to submit your assignment. And then at the bottom, you choose Google Drive because you're turning in a document from your Google Drive. And then in that search bar, you're going to just put the name of the document you want to find to make it easier. So if it was part 1 and 2 was the start of your title, that's what you would type in there to help you find that document. You can ignore this little clip right here because you don't have to worry about these tabs they opened up. So just type in your assignment, or you can go to the folder that you know it's in. But once you find your assignment, you click on it, and then you click the submit button. And then finally click the submit button one more time that says submit assignment. And then it will tell you that it has been submitted. Let me know if you have any questions.